Hey there, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into the top destinations for solo travelers in 2024. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or just a peaceful retreat, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Traveling solo is one of the most liberating and rewarding experiences. It allows you to explore at your own pace, meet new people, and immerse yourself fully in the journey. In 2024, there are some incredible destinations that are perfect for solo adventurers. Let's take a look at our top picks. First up, Japan. This country is a fantastic blend of modernity and tradition. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil temples of Kyoto, Japan offers something for every solo traveler. It's incredibly safe, the public transportation is top-notch, and the locals are friendly and helpful. Don't miss out on the cherry blossom season in spring or the stunning autumn foliage. Be sure to visit the vibrant city of Osaka, the historic Hiroshima, and the beautiful island of Hokkaido. Each region has its own unique charm and culture. Next on our list is Portugal. Known for its warm climate, friendly locals, and rich history, Portugal is perfect for solo travelers. Lisbon and Porto are must-see cities with their charming streets, delicious food, and vibrant nightlife. For beach lovers, the Algarve region is a paradise with its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Make sure to try the local cuisine, especially the pastel de nata, a delicious custard tart that will leave you craving more. For the adventure seekers, New Zealand is an absolute dream. Known for its stunning landscapes and outdoor activities, it's a haven for solo travelers who love nature. From hiking in the majestic Fiordland National Park to exploring the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, there's no shortage of adventures here. Host, don't forget to visit the South Island for its incredible scenery and the North Island for its rich Maori culture. And if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, Hobbiton is a must-visit. Iceland is another top destination for solo travelers in 2024. It's one of the safest countries in the world and offers some of the most stunning natural wonders. Imagine soaking in the Blue Lagoon, chasing waterfalls like Gullfoss, or witnessing the magical Northern Lights. Host Iceland's Ring Road is perfect for a solo road trip, allowing you to explore its diverse landscapes at your own pace. And the local cuisine, especially the seafood, is a treat you won't want to miss. Thailand is a favorite among solo travelers for good reason. It's affordable, has delicious food, and offers a wide range of experiences. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket and the cultural richness of Chiang Mai, Thailand has it all. Host, don't miss out on the street food, it's some of the best in the world. And if you're looking to meet other travelers, places like Koh Phi Phi and Pai are great spots to connect with like-minded adventurers. Canada is another great destination for solo travelers, offering diverse experiences from coast to coast. Whether you're exploring the vibrant city life in Toronto and Vancouver or the breathtaking natural beauty of Banff and Jasper National Parks, Canada has something for everyone. Host, Canada's friendly locals and safe environment make it an ideal destination for solo travelers. Plus, there's plenty of opportunity for outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, and kayaking. For those looking for a mix of adventure and culture, Morocco is a fantastic choice. Wander through the bustling souks of Marrakesh, explore the historic Medinas, and embark on a camel trek into the Sahara Desert. Host Morocco's rich history, friendly locals, and unique landscapes make it a fascinating destination for solo travelers. Just remember to respect the local customs and dress modestly, especially in rural areas. Last but not least, Costa Rica is a paradise for solo travelers who love nature and adventure. From exploring the lush rainforests and volcanoes to relaxing on the beautiful beaches, Costa Rica offers a perfect blend of excitement and tranquility. Host, don't miss out on the opportunity to zipline through the canopy, visit the sloth sanctuary, and enjoy the local cuisine. Costa Rica is also known for its commitment to sustainability, making it a great choice for eco-conscious travelers. So there you have it, our top destinations for solo travelers in 2024. Each of these places offers unique experiences, friendly locals, and plenty of opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Remember, traveling solo is all about discovering yourself and the world around you. So pack your bags, set your own pace, and make 2024 a year of unforgettable solo adventures. Host, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, everyone!